Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up settings. From here you want to select About Tablet. Scroll down and you'll find Factory Reset. And I believe if you have some kind of screen locks on your device, you will need to confirm them. I don't have anything like that, so it just automatically jumps to the, well, letting me factory reset it. So you want to click right over here, Erase All Data, which gives you the option to back it up if you want to keep some of the data that you store on your tablet. But I don't, so I will jump straight to Factory Reset. This then brings up a message letting me know that this process removes everything. This message is the second one that lets me know that, and it's blocked by a 10-second timer. Once you press next, we get it for the third time. Again, 10 seconds blocked before we can confirm it. It's time to get rid of it, Xiaomi. Anyway, from here we can press on OK, and this will now begin factory resetting. Now this process will take several minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.